Leo, can you see them?
I am looking. I cannot see them anywhere.
They promised, Leo. They promised they would come.
I know.
The show starts in 5 minutes.
I know, Maya.
Good morning. There is toast on the counter. I have to go.
Mom, you forgot to...
Leo, I am late. I am sorry. Have a good day.
Mom, my first performance is in 3 weeks.
That is wonderful, Maya.
Will you come?
Of course I will come.
You promise?
Maya, I promise. I will be there.
Okay.
Yes, we need to finalize that contract. I'll review the terms first thing tomorrow. Leo, work call.
Dad, my big match is in 3 weeks. The scouts will be there.
Scouts?
From the regional academy. If they like what they see.
Leo, that is incredible.
Will you come?
Of course I will come. I would not miss it.
Really?
Really, I promise. Leo, about the match.
You do not have to come, Dad.
I want to come.
It is okay if you have work.
Leo, I am going to be there, I promise you.
Okay, Dad.
Yes, I got the email. Saturday? The whole day? I understand. Yes, I will be there.
Yes. The client presentation has moved to Saturday? All day? Yes, I understand. I will be there.
Leo, about tomorrow.
I know, Dad.
Leo, let me explain.
It's okay. You have work.
Maya, about the performance.
You are not coming either.
Maya, I am so sorry. The client...
It is fine, Mom.
It is not fine. I know it is not fine.
Then why are you not coming?
We will make it up to you.
Both of you.
I promise.
You said that last time, Dad.
Maya, are you really used to it?
No.
Become this road. Late night talks.
How was the performance, Maya?
Fine.
How was the match, Leo?
Fine.
We
Scored 3 goals, Dad.
I danced the lead part.
Maya,
It is okay, Mom. Really. We are used to it now.
Please look at me. Are you really used to it?
No.
Maya said she is used to it.
I heard.
She is 9 years old, Jack. She should not be used to it.
I know.
When did this happen? When did we become this? Leo cuts her toast crusts every morning. I saw it. He does it every morning because I leave too early.
I do not know, Grace.
I do not want to be this kind of parent anymore.
Neither do I. Then we have to change.
Right now. Not next week. Not after the next deadline. Now.
Now. I know.
Do you?
Yes, I do. And I am going to prove it.
Dad, what are you making?
Pancakes.
Have you made pancakes before?
How hard can it be?
Jack, that pan is very...
Ow!
It is not nothing. You grabbed a hot pan handle with your bare hand.
Dad, why did you not use the oven glove?
I forgot.
Where are the oven gloves?
I forgot. I know where they are now. I am fine.
Keep it under the water.
Why does cold water help?
It stops the burn from getting worse. When you touch something very hot, you must put it under cold water immediately. Never put butter or cream, that makes it worse. Cold water only. always.
I did not know that.
Now you do.
And I will use the oven gloves from now on.
Dad, you came.
I said I would come.
You said that before.
I know. But today I am here. And I am not leaving until you teach me how to do that turn.
The Cruyff turn? The Cruyff turn.
Is that what it is called?
You do not know the Cruyff turn.
I am 40 years old, Leo. Be kind. Leo! Stop! Leo, are you okay?
Yes.
You ran without looking.
ball-
The ball does not matter. You matter. You matter. A ball can be replaced. You cannot be replaced. Before you go near any road, you look left, you look right, you look left again. Even if it looks empty, even if you think it is safe, you always look. Do you
Yes,
understand?
Dad.
Always.
Always.
Now, we wait for the road to be completely clear. Then we walk, not run, to get the ball.
Together.
Together. Left, right, left again, even when the road looks empty. Every time.
And soft and slow, Mama's hands became loud.
Maya, stop for a moment.
I can do it. I just need to try again.
Come here. Your ankle, is it hurting?
A little.
How long has it been hurting?
Since yesterday. It is fine. I just need to push through.
You do not need to push through. You need to stop.
But the performance.
Pushing through a hurt ankle is how you turn a small injury into a big one. If you keep dancing on this now, you could hurt it badly enough that you miss the whole performance. Did you warm up properly before you started?
I did a little bit.
How much is a little bit?
Maybe 5 minutes.
Maya, you need 15 minutes minimum. Before any dancing, before any sport, you warm up properly.
Even when I am in a hurry?
Especially when you are in a hurry.
Hmm.
Because when you rush your warm-up, you always get hurt.
Will it be okay for the performance?
If you rest it today and tomorrow, yes. If you keep pushing it, no.
From now on, 15 minutes warm-up.
Every single time.
Before any dancing. Every time. I want to come and watch your practice next time, so I can make sure it is proper.
You want to watch my warm-up? I want to watch everything.
If you will let me.
Okay, you can watch.
We stay together in here, all four of us. Always.
What do we need from the next aisle, Leo?
Pasta, tomatoes, and yogurt. What is that one, Mom?
It says it tastes like birthday cake.
We are still not getting it.
Dad wants it.
I was simply reading the label.
Maya, the toy aisle.
I see it.
Just for 1 minute.
Dad said stay together.
1 minute. They will not notice.
Dad, Leo is going to the toy aisle.
Leo, come back here, please.
Dad, just one.
Leo, come back here. We stay together. That is the rule. When we are in any public place, shops, stations, parks, always.
Okay, Dad.
And if you ever do get separated from us, for any reason, you find a member of staff. You do not follow anyone who says they know us. You find a uniform and you stay there.
What if we cannot find someone in a uniform?
You stay in the busiest, most public place you can find. Lots of people around you. You do not go anywhere quiet. You stay where everyone can see you.
And call you?
Yes, which is why both of you need to know our phone numbers by heart. Do you?
I know your number, Dad.
Say it.
555-0123.
Good. Maya, Mom's number.
I am not sure.
We are going to practice it tonight until you know it perfectly. Every child needs to know at least one parent's number completely by heart.
Because if something happens, your phone might not be there. Dad, your hand, is it better?
Much better. Cold water worked.
What was lesson 1?
Use the oven gloves.
Use the oven gloves. Every time.
Lesson 2, always look before crossing the road.
And always walk. Never run.
Lesson 3, warm up properly before dancing or sport.
every single time. 15 minutes minimum.
Lesson 4. Stay together in public places.
And know your parents' phone numbers by heart.
I know Mom's number now. Do you want to hear it?
Yes, I want to hear it.
550123.
That is exactly right.
Dad,
Huh?
you were in the front row.
I told you.
You were so loud.
I was cheering.
You were embarrassing.
I was cheering Maya. That is what parents do.
He cried a little bit.
I did not cry.
Jack,
I had something in my eye.
Both eyes, Dad?
It was very dusty in that theater.
Can you come to practice on Thursday to watch my warm-up?
I will be there at 5.
You do not have to.
I want to be there.
They did not miss the second performance. They did not miss the next match. And every morning after that, there were 4 people at the breakfast table. Not 2. Has your family ever been too busy for each other? Tell us in the comments below.